How to fix Discord Echo Mobile. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, you have to go and open settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. Here as you see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and go to storage option. Then go to the last button, clear data, and click OK. And go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last things is to go to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.